All right, what is up, tycoons? What's up, traders? Super excited for today's video. We're going to take a look at Ali today. ALI is the ticker symbol. Breaking things down on the daily chart for you. This is a viewer request. I do these viewer requests every single week. So if you want to see your crypto, your token in the next video, all you got to do is comment down below. With that being said, we're going to jump straight into it. We're going to go over the major levels of support we need to hold. If we do hold these, we do have a possibility of continuing another push up higher to hit some bullish price targets. But we do have a couple things we need to be cautious of, okay, on the RSI, as well as a chart pattern we have developing here. So make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. And let's start here with the head and shoulders, right? So it's not your typical vertical head and shoulders, right? People think that the pattern has to be super vertical, but we do have a little bit of a sideways head and shoulders forming here with the left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder forming over here as well. Okay, and essentially, if we break this trend line here that we've used as support many times, and we're testing it here again currently, there is a chance that we could see the head and shoulders play out and bring us back down below our 0.046685 area. Now, the reason that it says we're bearish below here is because these three levels, the 38.2, the 50%, and 61.8% levels, these are the three most common and well-respected Fibonacci retracement levels. And you use the fibs for two reasons, right? One is to spot trend continuation because nothing moves in a straight line up or in a straight line down. Rather, you get a move up, retracement, and then continuation higher, or you get a move down, retracement, continuation lower. Okay, so you can use it to spot the trend continuation, and that's what we're going to see if we can get, right? We had the move up, we're pulling back, retracing, and we're still in healthy retracement territory at these three levels. And if we hold them and we push higher, we could end up getting a continuation of this bull trend and hit our bullish price targets. Now, the crypto market in general has been very bullish since the start of the year. If we look here at 2023, a lot of things, especially altcoins, have been rallying very hard. And we're starting to see a pullback, right? But the major thing that I'm pointing out and showing people is that this is all healthy retracement territory for a healthy pullback and healthy retracement to possibly continue the trend. Now, you also use the fibs to spot reversals. So if you move down, retrace, consolidate, and then break through those retracement levels, you can spot an upside reversal. And if you move up, retrace, consolidate, and break through those retracement levels, you can spot a downside reversal. So these are the three fib levels right here. And if we break below 0.046685, we could be potentially spotting a downside reversal to retest some of our previous lows that we have on the chart, right? We have the move up, we came down, retraced, and we've been consolidating. And it's really gonna be a matter of, does the head and shoulders play out? Does it break below our major retracement levels? Or are we just consolidating for the next move up, possibly to head up higher? So ultimately, what you want to do is you want to flip this now resistance of 0.0593. You want to flip that to support, okay, and come up and flip the 0.071949 level to support from resistance as well. So there's two major levels of resistance that we're going to need to break through. All right, and if we can break through, flip that to support, that's when we can see some signs of potentially hitting our bullish price targets. Okay, now we also have the RSI that you can pay attention to. And what I've highlighted here is actually a divergence. So take a look how we have a high right here and a higher high right here. So, clearly the token's in an uptrend, right? It's making higher highs going up in price. Well, the relative strength index is actually doing the opposite, right? We have a high here, we have a lower high, and then we have a lower high at this point as well. So the RSI is actually in a downtrend, right? And so what that means is we're losing relative strength, okay, while we're actually increasing in price. That's a term known as bearish divergence. And, it's something that traders use as a technical indicator to indicate some possible future bearish activity. And you can see once we hit that bearish divergence right here, we did get a sharp pullback, and we've really just been consolidating in this area, ultimately looking to see if we're going to make the next move up or down. Okay, so that's the main things you want to pay attention to on Ali right now, on ticker symbol ALI. Now remember, of course, this video is not financial advice, but rather just going over some of the data on the charts. The charts, these candlesticks, they're all just pure data, and we're going over some of the numbers so that way you guys can be prepared for anything that happens and not be caught by surprise by any unexpected moves to the upside or to the downside. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see your stock or crypto in the next video, all you've got to do is comment down below and I'll make a video on it as soon as I can. With that being said, I appreciate you making it this far. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. And if you enjoyed this video, most likely you're going to enjoy one of these next two videos as well. So make sure to click on one of those.